Hey guys, Mike Fab'n, and yesterday we did a thing, so here we go. Still in the truck. Gonna need some work on them, but definitely very usable. Can't tell what it is yet though. I'll get it unboxed. Okay guys, I have all the pieces laid out in the yard. Was inspecting the gel coats. Got some repairs I'm gonna have to do to the gel coat. It's a 308 Mera style hood. Can be used in either way, but the vents aren't used in a Mera, so I may make another mold for the hood that's non-vented for the Mera guys. But here's the nose panel. These are dirty and dusty. They've been in a barn. Literally, I got them out of a barn. And then headlight covers, Mera style front fender, passenger side front fender, passenger side door, passenger side rear quarter, top of the rear deck lid, rear cell panel, the louvered vents for the sides, Mera style. The rear tail section is 308 style because it doesn't have the backup lights for the Mera, but whenever we can cut those in if somebody's wanting a repair panel or something. But here's the driver's side rear quarter panel, driver's side door, driver's side fender, again the hood, front inner piece for the body itself. I got the rear. Oh, here's the bottom of the rear deck lid. The bottom, the inner lining piece for the body section where the deck lid closes and stuff. So yeah, we got a complete set, and some minor repairs here and there I'm gonna have to make, but not so bad. So I'm gonna get you guys' opinion on this one. Now I'm already, let me flip this camera around, see if I can do that. I'm not real good at that. All right, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this yet. I make carbon fiber panels for my Porsche 911 turbo stuff, and so that's what I do already, so that's no big deal. So what I was thinking on this 308 / Mera thing is I don't want to use the F word on them, the name of the car, so we'll just cut out 308 Mera. That way we don't get in any trouble. But anyway, not that I care, or I think they'll care, but the point is that I think I'm gonna make it out of carbon fiber, the parts and stuff. So we're gonna make a carbon fiber body and put it on a car. I'll get a Fiero to put these on. I'll make a complete body and set it up. And you guys tell me what you think. Fiberglass or carbon fiber? I personally like carbon fiber, so let me know. Hey, I appreciate it, guys. Again, this is the complete 308 Mera mold setup. So going to be doing some repairs on them, on the gel coat here and there, and then start popping parts out of them. Anyway, appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, guys. Thanks.